Hey guys, I'm Mike from Mountain Slayers, and this is my base model Subaru Impreza that I'll be turning into a Spec B STI swap. I got this chassis on the cheap, so there's going to be a couple of things that I need to get ironed out. One of which is going to be these body gaps. That's not good, that's not good, and tires. She needs new tires, that's for sure. Did I do that? I don't remember that. Whatever. Dirty, but the real kicker is gonna be how much time I need to spend doing my favorite thing here. Rust work. So thankfully all of that's there. Doesn't look good, but it's there. It's there. It's not good, but it's there. It's there. It's good. I mean, it's not good, but it's there. Okay, all that's looking good. Surface rust. Why you do this? Okay, so it's all there. Oh boy. So I need all new calipers. Oh, those shocks. Oh god. I'm gonna clean those up, spray paint them. I don't know how long they are for this world, but those calipers are sketching me out too. Oh boy. Very expensive. Okay, anyway. Wow. Okay, so that side's about the same. And I said wow because they hit rocks. There. Not here. Not yet. Oh, we're still kind of. I think that's stock. Oh boy. So that all needs to be cleaned up. That needs to be cleaned up. Oh, that all needs to be cleaned up. Jeez. It all needs to be cleaned up. Cleaned up. Cleaned up. Undercoating has come off here. Why? Because they've been hitting rocks. This is all dented in from rocks. Who did this? Who are you? Why did you take your Subaru Impreza with a nice body rock crawling? Was it an accident? Is that what, was it like beached somewhere on some rocks? I don't know. Anyway, this is all dented in. But it's whatever, I don't care. Oh, surface rust. Oh, surface rust. Bad surface rust. Looks good. Surface rust. Oh, looks good. Surface rust. Oh, more surface rust. These lines usually have quite a bit of rot back here. It hasn't started rotting yet, but I definitely... Oh, no, it's falling my eyes. My eyes. Oh. Okay. Oh god, that's not good. Yeah. Well, so that needs to be addressed. And by addressed, I just mean give it a coat of fucking Rust-Oleum. Clean it off, give it a coat of Rust-Oleum. Everything needs to be cleaned off and give it a coat of Rust-Oleum. This whole fucking car needs to be coated in Rust-Oleum. Oh, I hate that car. Okay. Well, oh boy, that's not good. Okay, I have to get this out of here. What that's gonna consist of is a bug in there. Disgusting. So I don't know what this is gonna consist of. Oh fuck me. Oh god. Ugh. Okay, alright. So I see the bolt. Well, nut. So I can get that nut. I'm just gonna need to spray all of this with sand and sand all of this. Hope they don't round. If they do, I'm just gonna cut it out. Deal with it after. Okay, so that is gonna be fun. Great, fantastic. Oh, up there. All that needs to be like sprayed and fucking. Oh man, this car's good. I wonder if I could have found a cleaner chassis. You know what? I'm gonna make an ad online. I'm gonna say, does anybody have a very clean chassis? If somebody can get me a cleaner chassis than this by tomorrow, then you know what? No fucking do it. I'm gonna make it. Oh boy, the back bumper is pretty awful, but it's pretty standard. I want to take all this off, this little charcoal box, whatever this is. Take that off. Get that out of here. I want to get that whole thing off too. It's not great, but it's whatever. Oh, it's spray painted. Oh, that's bad. That's not fantastic, for sure. That's awful. So that might need to be addressed. I'll put a fuel tank in the back. Anyway. Alright, well, that's that.